Hello everyone.
A warm welcome to all. Me with my team are presenting a presentation on art integrated learning. Before moving ahead, let's understand what is art. Art speaks where the words are unable to explain. Art is the expression of human imagination skill and creative skill. Previously, art has only the inclusion of the visual arts, but recently the performing arts also has been included and it has to be applied in the curriculum also. So we must include and integrate the performing arts as well as the visual arts with the learning. So what is integration? Integration is nothing but the combining of two things together. So art plus learning, it is art integrated learning.
Let's focus on art integration learning. That is, art when combines with learning, it is called art integrated learning. Art integrated learning allows us to build chefs who make choices, not cooks who merely follow recipe. So Picasso rightly said, every child is an artist. Art has always fascinated learner, so it has been integrated with learning. CBSE introduced art in modern concept of learning. Art integrated learning is a teaching learning model based on learning through arts and with the arts. It is a process where art becomes the medium of teaching and learning. Learners explore creatively and can experience both visual art and performing art, which lead to better understanding and construction of knowledge. As per curriculum, arts can take place at all levels of schooling. It is a framework of experiential learning which provides an equitable learning environment for all learners through their own access point. Thus, it is an approach to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form.
Regular engagement and education in the arts has to be embedded in the school curriculum. It is a pedagogy of experimental learning. We have to explore multiple perspectives of concepts. Art can be integrated by examining art standard and non art standard to work mutually. Then to ensure its use, that is application of art, we have to allow learners to explore some new approach. Designing of lessons should be considered carefully to get perfect outcomes. Art has to be applied through theme in interdisciplinary skills. Lessons must be intervened so that children acquire art concepts and skills. It can be easily integrated in curriculum through visual and performing arts.
See how I have integrated art with all subjects. Woodland, jungle, forest, these are the name of the same things. A forest has trees which provide us oxygen, food, shelters, and they also help in maintaining ecological balance. In a forest, many type of birds, animals, and the beauty of the nature has fascinated many poets and writers in all languages. To make trees and animals, I have used waste materials and different types of shapes like circle, triangle, etc. Hope so you love this woodland.
Learning through art make a perfect balance in education. Art has the role in education of helping children become like themselves instead of everyone else. Previously, art was cut from curriculum, but currently it has made a space in curriculum to create well-rounded, well-prepared learners and leaders. Art encourages to develop critical thinking skill, motor skill, neural development skill, social skill and many more. It allows children to process their world. It is a major stress buster for learner. It is the art which is developing both left and right brain properly for all-round development of a learner. To sum up, weekend focus is not on the color choice, but rather the meaning, thinking, reasoning, and that the artistic process generate.
The principle of art is to pause, not to bypass. Art has inspired the human soul from the ancient time. Art integrated learning involves working on all the three domains: cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domain, which simultaneously fulfills the pedagogical need of the learners. These are the six principles on which art integrated learning depends. First one is it stimulates all senses. Second one is learning is transdisciplinary and inclusive. Third one is learning must be experiential. Fourth one is student must evolve through learning. Fifth one is collaborative teaching and learning is the key of art integration. Sixth one is output must be development of problem solving and reflective skill.
Art integrated learning will not only make classroom transactions joyful and creative, but will also promote the appreciation of our rich art and culture heritage. Let's activate a student's artistic side. CBSE has completely focused on all aspects, including suggestive activities for art integrated learning. Art is now more than stocking up of markers and crayons. It has vast sphere. Let the learners explore creativity in both visual arts and performing arts. The various suggestive activities are clay molding, paper quilling, dancing and singing, culinary art, video making, jewelry designing, worldly art. Let the students reap the benefits of integrating art in learning.
See where my team is going to take you. So hold your breath and tighten your seatbelts. Here we go.
Welcome to Woodland, land of trees. Hello everyone. You all know me very well. Yes, I am your best friend on this blue planet. Do you know how I took birth? Let me show you how I took birth.
Hello everyone. Have you seen a baby plant? New plants grow from the seed of a plant. This process of sprouting a seed into a new plant is called germination. Let us watch this process live. I have taken gram seeds soaked overnight. I have taken an empty glass. Keep tissue paper in the glass. Spray some water on it. Arranged my seeds. Now cover the seed with moist tissue paper. Now keep it aside for 3 days. Let's see what will happen after 3 days. Wow! Radicals and cotyledons are appeared. Just see how beautiful is this. After 10 days, seedlings are ready with intensive roots and beautiful leaves, which are ready for photosynthesis. Thank you.
All living things need food as a source of energy. But unlike animals and human beings, plants prepare their own food. And the process is called photosynthesis. Do you want to know more about it? Come, let me show you.
Photosynthesis. Let's learn about photosynthesis. Plants make their food with the help of many things. Plants get their raw material for photosynthesis from the soil, the air, and the sun. Oh, look! It started raining. When it rains, water gets absorbed into the soil. The plants take in the water from the soil through its roots. In the roots, there are tubes, which are called the xylem and the phloem. The xylem lies towards the interior part of the root, whereas the phloem lies towards the exterior part of the root. These tubes help in bringing water and minerals from the soil to its leaves. Leaves breathe in carbon dioxide from tiny pores, which are called stomata, which are on the underside of the leaf. The stomatas are like the windows in the room for plants because it allows air to get in. And here comes the sun, one more important factor for photosynthesis. So, now we know plants need 3 things for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Now the process will start. Most of the action takes place in the leaves of the plant. If we cut a leaf and observe it under a microscope, we see that right below the outer layer of cells, there is a layer of soft, elongated cells called mesophyll cells. Inside the mesophyll cells, we see tiny nodes, which are called chloroplast. Chloroplast contains a special chemical called chlorophyll. It is chlorophyll which colors the leaves green. Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light from the sunlight that falls on leaves. Therefore, the light reflected by the leaves is diminished in red and blue and appears green. When the light energy from the sun is captured by the chloroplast, it's stored in stalks called a granum, in which is a thylakoid membrane. In these membranes, the chemical reaction of photosynthesis takes place. So, remember, carbon dioxide plus water plus sun gives you glucose plus oxygen. The glucose, or sugar, is the food which the plant has made for itself and is distributed to all parts of the body, and oxygen is a waste gas, which the plants breathe out. People and animals use this very oxygen to breathe and continue living. We, in turn, exhale the carbon dioxide needed by plants, and the cycle continues.
It was interesting, na? Hope you all understood very well and enjoyed also. Let me tell you my story in rhyming and rhythmic way, so lend your ears.
Hello everyone. Let's listen what the tree want to say. Let's enjoy the rhythm and rhyme of this poem.
I am a tree with dark green crown. I am a tree, I am a tree with leaves all around. I am a tree, I am a tree with thick, strong trunk. I am a tree, I am a tree all above the ground. I need some sunlight, I need some fresh air, I need some fresh water and your loving care. I am a tree, I am a tree with a dark green crown. I am a tree, I am a tree with leaves all around. I give shelter to animals, I give you food and fruits, I give you words and medicine, but you cut me for your use. Don't cut me, please, cried the tree, because I give you shadow free. Take my cool shade, take my wood, flowers and fruits. Let me live my life well. Treat me as your loving friend. I am very helpful. Let's be friends. Don't cut me, please, cried the tree.
I hope you all have enjoyed this poem. From this poem, tree has informed us how important they are. Trees are the basis of sustaining life on earth. It gives us oxygen which we breathe in and absorbs carbon dioxide which we breathe out. It purifies the air and brings rainfall. From roots to leaf, every part of the tree is beneficial to us. I hope you all have enjoyed rhythm and rhyme of this poem. So don't cut the trees if you want to survive on this blue planet.
It was melodious, na? Now let me try to make you creative thinker, not a calculator with logical ideas.
Leaf pattern refers to the pattern or method through which leaves attach themselves to twigs and stems. Botanists normally differentiate between three main leaf patterns: alternate, opposite, and curve. We all know that leaves grow in different patterns. Different species of trees have different patterns, which helps us to identify what type of tree.
Let's learn maths with trees. Means we are going to connect tree with mathematics in a different way. So, mathematics and tree. Go for an activity. There are many factors of 48 like 2 multiplied by 24, 3 multiplied by 16, 4 multiplied by 12, 8 multiplied by 6. We will go for 8 multiplied by 6. And then further we will factorize till we reaches prime factors so that our factor tree complete. 8 and 6 are the factors of 48. Further, 8 has been distributed into 4 and 2. Then 6 is having 3 and 2 as a factor. 4 is having 2 and 2 as a factor. Here we complete our factor tree. All the numbers written with green color are prime numbers, whereas orange color and black color numbers are compose it now. For this, you did not need anything else except the tree and a card sheet to pin it up.
You used me. You cut me. Now it's your turn to save me.
सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो आ गए भाई हम नाटक वाले इस दुनिया की नाटक देखो इस दुनिया की बात पते की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
ईश्वर ने सुंदर धरती और आसमान बनाया, हरे भरे पेड़ पौधों से एक सुंदर हरियाली सृष्टि का निर्माण किया। ऐ खुदा, ये जमीन, ये आसमां, तेरा सबसे सुंदर जहां। पर क्या वास्तव में ये सब कुछ सचमुच इतना सुंदर और अद्भुत है? आइए मैं आपको सच्चाई बताती हूँ। आज हर तरफ धुआं है, प्रदूषण फैल रहा है, ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो रही है, लोग किश्तों में जी रहे हैं और अलग अलग हिस्सों में मर रहे हैं। ईश्वर ने बनाए 5 तत्व करने तेरे जीवन में प्रकाश, तू कर रहा है मानव इसका सर्वनाश और बना रहा है प्रकृति को एक जिंदा लाश। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पति की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
हम सब देख रहे हैं, सब सुन रहे हैं, सब झेल रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहते। आखिर ऐसा क्यों? तू देख दीवाने आए हैं, इस जमाने की असली बात बताने आए हैं। तू सोच बदल देगा अपनी, हम वो बात बताने आए हैं। इस रंगमंच के खेले में हम सबको जगाने आए हैं, हम सबको जगाने आए हैं। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पते की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
आज मानव ने सिर्फ अपने स्वार्थ के लिए सारे जंगल काट दिए, पशु पक्षियों का आशियाना उजाड़ दिया, मौसम का हाल बेहाल कर दिया। आज हमें ऑक्सीजन खरीदनी पड़ रही है। क्या अब भी हमारी आंखें बंद रहेंगी? जिस प्रकृति की गोद में हम पले बड़े, क्या उसके प्रति हमारा कोई कर्तव्य नहीं? आज हमारी धरती माँ चीख चीख कर मदद के लिए पुकार रही है। धरती करे यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, पेड़ लगाकर धरती का श्रृंगार बढ़ाएं। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पते की सुनो सुनो।
आज मानव विकास के नाम पर अपनी मनमानी कर रहा है। काट दिए जंगल सारे, कंक्रीट भर छोड़, दूषित कर पर्यावरण, हम बढ़े विकास की ओर। क्या यही विकास है? नहीं, ये विकास नहीं, सर्वनाश है। देख मानव देख, आंखें खोल के देख, यही होता है परिणाम जब करते हैं हम पेड़ों का बहिष्कार और धरती माँ का तिरस्कार। क्या यही था तेरा सपना? क्या यही था तेरा विकास? सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पते की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
समस्याओं का हल केवल 2 शब्द में छिपा है, पेड़। पेड़ कहने को तो एक छोटा शब्द है, मगर यह कई मूल्यवान चीजों का खजाना है। इससे हमें फल, फूल, लकड़ी, औषधि आदि चीजें प्राप्त होती हैं। ये केवल मनुष्य के लिए उपयोगी नहीं, बल्कि पशु पक्षियों का घर भी है। चलो आशियाना बचाएं, धरती को हरा भरा बनाएं, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हटाएं, पेड़ों को लगाएं। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पते की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
हल्ला बोल, क्यों करना है हल्ला बोल, जब तूने ही किया है अपना डब्बा गोल। बीज बोए हैं बबूल के तो आम कहाँ से पाएगा, अब भी संभल जा रे बंदे वरना पछताता रह जाएगा। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो बात पते की सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो।
आज हम सभी विलासिता का जीवन जी रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी अपना जीवन तक जी सके, तो केवल नारे लगाने से कुछ नहीं होगा। हम सबको मिलकर एक साथ एकजुट प्रयास करने होंगे, तभी कुछ संभव है। मित्रों, ये हम पर निर्भर है कि हम इस नुक्कड़ नाटक की शिक्षा को जीवन में अपनाते हैं या अपने जीवन को ही नाटक बना लेते हैं। यदि हम सब एक साथ मिलकर प्रयास करें तो कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है। हम इस धरती को स्वर्ग बना सकते हैं। कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद नहीं होता? कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद नहीं होता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो। तू जिंदा है, तू जिंदा है, तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर। तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, और है अगर कहीं स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर, उतार ला जमीन पर। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, बात पते की सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो। आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, वृक्षों की महिमा गाएं, जंगल के रक्षक बने हम, कर ले ये संकल्प, हरी भरी धरा अपनी, पर्यावरण स्वतंत्र। धन्यवाद।
I wanna be with you. Let's be best friends. Save me. Love me. Now I am very happy. You all promise me that you will love me always and save me.